In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and publish a landing page using Mailchimp. Whether you're looking to capture emails or showcase a new product, a well-designed landing page can make a huge difference. So let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log into your Mailchimp account. If you don't have one yet, head over to Mailchimp's website and set it up. It's quite intuitive. Once logged in, direct your attention to the top navigation menu where you'll find the Campaigns tab. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu, select Create Campaign. Now, among the options presented, choose Landing Page. This is where the magic begins. Once you've clicked on Landing Page, you'll be prompted to choose a template. Mailchimp offers a variety of templates to suit different needs and aesthetics. Whether you want something that's minimalist or bursting with visuals, there's something for everyone. Take your time to browse through and select one that aligns with your goals and brand identity. After settling on a template, it's time to customize it to make it truly yours. Start by editing the text fields. Remember to use engaging and concise language to draw in your audience. Next, replace placeholder images with ones that resonate with your brand or message. If you have specific photos in mind, simply upload them. Otherwise, Mailchimp offers a library you might find useful. Also, pay close attention to the sign-up forms. Ensure they ask for the necessary information such as names and email addresses, and keep it as simple as possible to encourage sign-ups. Once you're satisfied with the look and content of your landing page, the next step is setting your URL and SEO settings. Choose a URL that is both memorable and relevant to the content of your landing page. It should be easy for your audience to remember and type out. For the SEO settings, think about keywords related to what you're promoting and incorporate them. This will help increase visibility on search engines. Feeling happy with the content and settings? Great! It's time to publish your landing page. Double check everything: content accuracy, functionality of links, and overall design coherence. When you're ready, hit that publish button. Your landing page is now live and ready to welcome visitors. Now the final step is to share your newly created URL. Utilize your social media platforms, email lists, or any other communication channel at your disposal to get the word out. The more people you reach, the more successful your landing page can be in capturing the attention of your audience. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process of creating a landing page with Mailchimp. Now go ahead and start creating impactful landing pages that elevate your campaigns. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing.